Technic Bauer says hello to a new video. Today we want to show you how you can read the operating hours of your HISENSE TV. How this works exactly, you will find out after the intro. You have a HISENSE TV and want to know how many hours the TV has already run. Maybe you buy a used TV or you want to know how many hours your TV is already running. Then there is a possibility how you can read the whole thing. First of all, we have to go to the service menu. Do not change any value here. It could be that your TV no longer works properly. You should change a value here and you lose any guarantee. And the whole thing works very easily. All you have to do is press the menu button. Then in the settings. Then you switch to this point tone. And to the right to speakers. And here we need the point balance. If this is not available to you and is gray, then the reason is that you have activated Dolby Atmos here in this audio improvement mode. So either leave it on Virtual X or off. And only then can you select speakers here and here on balance. Here we go to balance. Select this and make sure that it is on 0. So not on -1 or +1, but on 0. And now we have to press 1969 on the remote control. By the way, this is the year of founding of HISENSE, so this number. So 1969. Then you get this M at the top left, which signals you that everything was successful. Now all you have to do is press the menu button. And then we are here in the service menu. Here we learn a lot about our TV. But we only need one point and that is options. We select this and then see here when we go down here the time our TV has already run. Running time 6 hours and 50 minutes. So with just a few clicks we have read out the operating hours here. If you want to get out of the service menu again, you have to turn off the TV and turn it back on. Do you have any questions? Then use the comment function. Subscribe to our channel, then you will always be up to date. Technic Bauer says thank you for watching and goodbye.
Wiedersehen.